What you say? So you really feel like Sher would have put her hand for me out? No bother with them style them man. Style them.
Let me talk to you, madam.
Sure, just easy.
Hello, lady. I'm going to put my hand for your fitness. So don't come by me today. Don't come by me today. Today holiday, I'm going to come peaceful. Don't come by me. Alright.
Hello. Marsha, you hear me I say? Just easy yourself.
You make sure one baby mother, you know, one baby dinosaur, you know.
Hey,
listen to that, say me
easy,
are the
man.
wrong person to come to, you know.
Where you take your
Come
phone
me
from,
put on my
man?
bouncing shoes and ready for bounce slide down, you know. So
Just easy, man.
one
I said,
hour.
what?
One hour, okay, no, say after the table the baby drop. 1 hour.
No, we know that, so we are going
Can you talk on the break
No, man,
side?
just easy, man. Just come
Yeah,
in.
like
Come
you're
sit
afraid
down.
or like,
Come in.
can't grab you, I'm there.
Sure, just go and sit down. Come sit down here, man. Come sit down now.
I don't want to sit down.
Come sit down, man.
I don't want to sit down. So I try to talk to you.
Like, how is
OJ baby, don't climb the tree here. My head job.
Don't do that. Sherry, you never did that for your babe, so where you take your phone from me for? You're not supposed to take your phone from me and what? Where you do that for?
Lando. Tell her stay away from me. Me no trouble her. Me no dey in her way. That's why I stay far from people because I'm very dangerous. Right.
But you know so me could have deal with this though.
So why you never deal with it? The worst thing for somebody to accuse you. So you say if you not go defend me, I'm going to defend myself.
Sure, me not tell you say you not to defend yourself, you know. But I have an idea, you see to how you do your thing sometimes, you're too aggressive. You need to know if you tone down sometime, man.
Alright, Lando. I'm going to tone down. But me while you tell herself to stay away from me. Hello? Don't call back in phone.
Yeah.
Oh, are you afraid?
Yo, here, ka.
Oh, how are you there?
I tell you, I'm there over the park, man. There over the park, bro.
Oh.
Sure, you hear me I say? See all of them things they were just something. If you build more while, you know.
But I know me explain.
But no, you hear me I say, no, man. More time you have to build. I same thing you do here with me and Butcher. You're not supposed to behave them way. What kind of style that? You have to remember say you in my life now, you know, Sher. Me even sideline my friend them for you, you know. But me still not put them off same way because I dog them that, you hear that? But I have an idea you have to know say I'm me and you this and you have to do the right thing. Can't go on like you want Lily down my thing. You have to remember say I'm me, I'm man and you a woman. Or you think it is them gonna pre me now? Can't grab my phone and I go on them way upon it, man. If you low off of them, you have to go stop. Don't try that again, you know.
I'm sorry.
I'm not sure. To the holiday, man. Never want this, you hear?
But as she just come mash up the day.
Just easy.
Vicious, how you deal it?
Yeah, I'm there and I make a wipe.
Sure.
Hi, it is.
Wow. Aye. Vicious, give me a minute now. You don't mind, Sher?
No man, him can't go on.